Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top 4 Best Hydraulic Crimper Crimping Tool Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
Reliable 220V, 380V high-pressure hydraulic hose crimping machines, e.g., P32 hose pressing/crimper machine, from trusted Chinese suppliers are ideal for heavy-duty hose fabrication. They deliver precise, powerful crimps for hydraulic hoses, fittings, and industrial assemblies, perfect for workshops, fleets, agriculture, construction, and professional service shops.
Number 3.
The ZC-B 50 km battery-powered crimping pliers deliver fast, electric cold crimping for insulated tubes and bare terminals. Lightweight and cordless, they make heavy-duty cable and terminal work easier, improving efficiency for automotive, electrical, and industrial projects without manual strain. A powerful upgrade for serious crimping tasks.
Number 2.
Hydraulic crimping tool features. Hydraulic crimping tool is a processional tool for crimping copper and aluminum lugs with different types, a wide range of crimping dies from 4 mm2 to 1000 mm2 to suit for different size demand. The main crimping shape is hexagonal, special shape design is provided by special making.
Number 1.
The HX50B Crimping Pliers Tube Terminal Crimper is a durable hand tool for battery cables, lugs, and wire harnesses. With a 6 to 50 mm superscript 2, AWG 10 to 0, crimp range, it delivers reliable hex crimping for automotive, electrical, and DIY projects. Comfortable grip and accurate force make tough jobs easier.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.